Hello students, I am Sonu Kasana, your SSC teacher, and today we are going to complete the book exercise of the chapter 5 When People Rebel. The very first question is, what was the demand of Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi that was refused by the British? The answer is, the demand of Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi wanted the East India Company to recognize her adopted son as the heir of the kingdom after the death of her husband. This demand was refused by the British. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi wanted the East India Company to recognize her adopted son as the heir of her kingdom after the death of her husband. This demand was refused by the British. The second question is, what did the British do to protect the interest of those who converted to Christianity? What did the Christian what did the British do to protect the interests of those who converted to the Christianity? The answer is, in 1890 in 1850 in 1850 a new law allowed to Indian who had converted to Christianity to inherit property of his ancestors. This law made it easier to convert to Christianity. This law made it easier to convert to Christianity. Third question is, what did what object did the spoils have to the new cartridge that they were asked to use? What objects did the sepoys have to the new cartridges that they were asked to use? And answer is, the new cartridges were suspected of being coated with the fats of cows and pigs. The new cartridges were suspected to being coated with the fat of cows and pigs. Both Hindus and Muslim sepoys were offended by the introduction of these cartridges. Boys, both Hindu and Muslims sepoys were offended by the introduction of these cartridges. Their religious sentiments were affected, and this was the reason they refused to use the cartridges. They felt that the British were trying to insult their religions. Okay, students. Next, question 4. How did the last Mughal Empire live the last year of his life? How did the last Mughal Empire live the last years of his life? And answer is, the last Mughal Empire spent the last year of his life in a jail in Rangoon along with his wife. The last Mughal Empire spent the last years of his life in a jail in Rangoon along with his wife. Students, question number 4. Question number 4, you have to write this question. Question number 4. What could be the reason for the confidence of the British rulers about their position in the India before May 1857? मैं आपको बताऊंगा इसमें कौन कौन से आपको टॉपिक लिखने हैं. द वेरी फर्स्ट इज in India, the reason for the confidence of the British rulers about their position in India before May 1857 were too many as described below. The very first one, there were several riots, rebellion and revolts which occurred before May 1857, but all these were localized and were suppressed by the British then and there. ये लिखना है आपको. और सेकंड आपको ये लिखना है, इन द मिड 18th सेंचुरी द पावर्स ऑफ नवाब्स, राजाज, जमींदार्स एक्सेट्रा वर eroded. The freedom of the Indian rulers was reduced, their armed forces were disbanded, and their revenue and territories were taken by stages. और एक आपको ये वाला लिखना है, द इंडियन प्रिंसेस एंड चीफ्स whom the British had allowed to continue used to side with the British during revolts before May 1857. बस यही तीन आपको इसमें पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज what impact did Bahadur Shah Jafar's support to the rebellion have on the people and the ruling families? What impact did the Bahadur Shah Jafar's support to the rebellion have on the people and the ruling families? आंसर आपको लिखना है यहाँ से. देयर वाज ए वाइड स्प्रेड इम्पैक्ट ऑन द पीपल ऑफ द होल कंट्री एंड इट्स रूलिंग फैमिलीज आफ्टर बहादुर शाह जफर सपोर्ट टू द रेबेलियन. दीज वर, फर्स्ट वन आपको लिखना ही है, ही रोट लेटर टू ऑल द चीफ एंड रूलर्स ऑफ द कंट्री टू कम फॉरवर्ड एंड ऑर्गेनाइज ए कॉन्फिडेंसरी डेनरेसी ऑफ इंडियन स्टेट और टू फाइट विद ब्रिटिश. All small and big kingdoms, kings, nawabs, rajas, princes, zamindars, chiefs, and even may Hindu and Muslim religious leaders welcomed this initial step taken by the emperor and joined hand to rebel against the British. और ये सेकंड वाला लिखना आपको, रेजिमेंट आफ्टर रेजिमेंट mutinied and started to join other troops at nodal points like Delhi, कानपुर एंड लखनऊ. बस ये दोनों ही आपको लिखने हैं, ये वाला आपको नहीं लिखना है नीचे वाला. ओके. सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन आपका है, हाउ डिड द ब्रिटिश सक्सीड in securing the submission of rebel landowners of Awadh? How did the British succeed in securing the submission of the rebel landowners of Awadh? तो आपको आंसर लिखना है, the British succeeds in securing the submission of rebel landowners of Awadh by adopting various methods such as, first one is they announced rewards for loyal landowners. Second, they were assured that they would be allowed to continue to enjoy traditional rights over their lands. And the last one is, those who had rebelled were told that if they submitted to the British and if they had not killed any white people, they would remain safe and their rights and claims to land would not be denied. Okay, the next question is seventh question. In what ways did the British change their policies as a result of the rebellion of 1857? In what ways did the British change their policies as the result of the rebellion of 1857? Answer is it's quite big, so we will write some of them. Changes in the policies of the British after suppression of the rebellion of 1857. The very first one is British Crown took over the control of administration. The British Parliament passed an act in 1859 under which the power of the East India Company were transferred to the British Crown. The British government was now directly responsible for ruling India. Okay. The second one is provided a sense of security to the local rulers. The ruling chiefs of the country were assured that their territories would never be annexed by the British. However, they had to swear alliances to the British crown. They also abolished the doctrine of lapse, thereby allowing rulers to the pass on their kingdoms to adopt adopted sons. द नेक्स्ट वन आपको लिखना है ये वाला रीऑर्गेनाइज्ड द आर्मी. द proportion of Indian soldiers in the army was reduced and the number of European soldiers in the army was increased. And the last one, promised non-interference in the sphere of region. The British assured the people of India that their religion and social practices would be respected and not interfered with. Okay, students, this was your video. So thank you very much.